Welcome to the only automatic instructor training and development training manual. Finding a comfortable place to place your feet while you're driving along is very important. As an automatic driver, you don't use your left leg, but you need to place your right heel somewhere in between the brake and the gas pedal. Turn your right foot slightly to the right to press the right pedal, the gas pedal, and you'll increase speed. Swivel your right foot to the left to touch the brake pedal, and with pressure you'll decrease speed. During your driving lesson, if your instructor wishes you to increase speed, he'll say gas, more gas, less gas. Your instructor will say cover the brake, a little brake, more brake, less brake. This will control the speed of the car. Depressing the brake will activate the 3 rear brake lights at the back of the car, and at the same time the crossover brake system will ensure that the front right and rear left, front left and rear right brakes operate to ensure that the car brakes smoothly. Discuss these points with your driving instructor. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.